So, which wine glass would you serve 2005 Bon Romanée Lego di Show in? Bordeaux, Burgundy, Hock, or Tumbler? Now the question is, where is the Lego di Show Bon Romanée from? If you know the answer to that question, you know which glass is it going to be in.
So lock in your answers as the music is playing. Okay, and we have most people answering number 2, Burgundy glass.
And this is a correct answer, although I see one answer that somebody put in that I like, and I like to build up on it. There is the universal glass. Some of the companies have the universal glass, and you're welcome to use it. So there are a lot of schools on which glasses to use when. There are some of the suggestions, but it's really you who will be working with the wines essentially, and you will be checking what works best for you. If you are preparing yourself for examinations or you are actually tasting a lot, it's best that you use the same style of glasses each time. Why is that? Because your senses are really getting used to the same wine glass, the same tasting style, the way that you taste as well. So using this very same wine glass when when you're in preparation, when you need to recall that information, for example, in a blind tasting, that if you are studying over for a long time, this is the best way. So those are, of course, suggestions that you can take in which wine glass you can taste, but at the end of the day, it is up to you. All right.